When I right click on desktop, I did not see terminal option on this context menu because terminal apps did not installed on Windows 11 PC. So now I am going to show you how to install terminal app on Windows 11 PC. There are two options installed terminal app on Windows 11 PC. One is search terminal from the browser and open to install, and another option is go to Microsoft Store and search terminal and then install from there. So I chose Microsoft Store option. So I click on Microsoft Store. So this is the Microsoft Store. From here, there are a search menu. I type terminal in the search menu and hit enter. So this is the Windows Terminal app. I click on it. We see that its publisher is Microsoft Corporation. That is the official Microsoft Windows Terminal. So I install this on Windows. So I click on install button. It takes some dependencies and then it will install. It take few seconds. So I fast forward this video. So installation is completed. I click on open. So this is the Windows terminal. There are many options to use it. I close this and also close Microsoft Store. Now when I click on right click, I see option open in terminal option. So when I click on open in terminal option, then it will open Windows terminal. So that was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install terminal app on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.